Morning all. It's a nice morning today. It's a bit frosty, but I'm out with my new detector. I bought a Teknetics T2 Classic. Pretty nice machine. First little signal we've got is this. No idea what it is. It looks like it had gold gilding on it at some point. Nice little find. Right, I'm going to crack on and I'll catch you on the next dig. The next signal we got is a massive bit of lead. Another bit for the scrap pile. T2, it's got a bit better depth than the Garrett Ace 250. I'm not saying a Garrett Ace 250 is no good, but I thought I would get a better machine. Anyway, I'm going to crack on, peeps, and I'll catch you in the next dig. Live dig. Haven't got my pinpointer today. That might take a while. Just a bit of crack. Right, I'll catch you on the next dig. This is a cool find. Looks like a coal shovel type thing. It's broke. Wonder how old that is. Anyway, I'm going to crack on, peeps, and I'll catch you in the next dig. We've got our first coin of the day. It's an old 1 penny from 1899, Widow Head, Victoria. Not bad condition. It's a nice find. I'm going to crack on, peeps, and I'll catch you on the next dig. Well, I've just found some sort of like token or a coin, I'm not sure. Silver in colour, but I can't make anything out on it yet. I'll have to clean it up when I get home. Right, I'm going to crack on and I'll catch you on the next dig. Looks like another coin. So 1 penny, 1906 I think. It's Edward the 7th. not bad condition. Well, I'm going to crack on and I'll catch you in the next dig. I've just found a buckle. Looks quite modern, because if it was old it'd have quite a green patina on it. It's a nice find though. I want to do around that house. Looks nice in there. Maybe I'll have to ask. Anyway, I'm going to crack on, peeps, and I'll catch you in the next dig. I've just found this button. Looks like it's got a crown on it, and RI. Looks really old though. I'll have to clean it up better when I get home. It's a lovely find. Wasn't too far down. Well, I'm going to crack on, peeps, and I'll catch you in the next dig. Another bit of crap. I'll go crack on and I'll catch you in the next dig. Well, I think I found some sort of lead token. I'm not quite sure though. It's a bit mucky. I'm going to take it home, give it a little clean, show you later. Nice. Right, I'm going to crack on because it's getting dark now, and I'll catch you on the next dig. Right, that's it for today, guys. It's getting a bit dark and I want to go home. My thoughts on the T2 Classic is yeah, it's a good machine. It's picked out some small stuff. I'll show you on the roundup when I get home. Yeah, I love this machine. Doesn't force as much. Have to try it somewhere different. Alright, until the next, well, I'll catch you on the roundup. See you soon. Hello guys, just doing a little roundup. Found this lid, crossing Blackwell. Not sure what that's off. Bits of copper or brass. Got this bit of tubing. Bit of a tractor. Bits of crap. Another lid or something. Lots and lots of lead. That bit's pretty heavy. Some buttons. These are pretty common. Got this, which I don't know what it is. Could be anything. Buckle. Couple of rings. Another type of button. Got some 1p. 1906. Edward the First, 7th, sorry. 1936. Georgia 5th, 1 penny, another 1 penny, 18.99, Queen Victoria, some half pennies, 1940, not sure of that one, it's George V, another half penny, got 2p, spendable, Victoria half penny, 18.91, pretty good condition. Not sure what this is, might be a farthing. It's pretty battered. Some more bits of crap, rim pull, umbrella slide, bits of tack. Don't know what this is, maybe you might know. Looks like it's made from lead. I found this, I've been told it's either a medieval or a Tudor button. It's pretty small, about 1.5 centimeters. And then I found this, some sort of lead token. Not sure who or where it's from. Got some sort of head on the back. Nice. Right, till the next video, happy hunting, good luck, and I'll catch you in the next dig.